Do you want to learn how to do butterfly pull-ups? Hi, my name is Jeff Flaherty. I'm the owner of the DRC, and I'm going to teach you how to master this skill. It's important that you understand the 5 different phases of the movement. You have the kick, the push away, the pull, and then you have the drop and the re-engage. And so as I teach you some of these progressions leading up into this, it's going to really help you break this movement down so that you can put those pieces together and pick this up pretty quickly. So as you come over to the bar, the really important thing to understand is that this movement is a little bit different from a kipping pull-up, and you really should be able to do kipping pull-ups before you even try butterfly. With the kipping pull-up, you're hinging more from the hip as you drive the knee up. With a butterfly pull-up, you're hinging more from the knee and you're trying to kick out. As you kick out, you're really trying to flex your quad and trying to get that blocked off at about a 45-degree angle. A lot of times we see people miss on this as they kick a little bit too high, getting the foot about hip height. So again, really try and flex the quad, block that off at about a 45-degree angle. So the first progression that we have is jumping up on the bar and just getting that little kick and then bringing your heels back towards your butt. So kick, flex, and extend the leg, and then hold that out. As you're able to start to pick that movement up, you can then start to get the push away here using your arms. So the kick sends your body back. This push away is going to help you gain distance or close down the distance between your head and the bar, and that will eventually make it easier to pull up. So you start to sync up, kick, and get the push away, sending your body back, and then, like I said, close the distance down between your head and the bar. As you start to sync those up, then you can work into the pull. You go from kick, push, and then pull up, and you can just drop from there. So you just single these out is the best way to do it and break it out to make sure you're synced up. It's kick, push, pull, and then just drop down. That transitions you in nicely to the 4th phase of the movement, because there will be a point in time as you pull up and get your chin up over the bar where you are going to disengage a little bit, allowing you to drop into that. But the important thing into hitting the last phase of the movement is understanding the re-engage. A lot of people start to cycle through these and they tend to just come crashing down. So they'll get everything pulled up and then just come crashing down, and they'll have a really difficult time working into that. So a few things that are really important as you go into this is understanding as you go to the kick, push, and pull, you've got to try and hold your feet out in front of your body, and then as you start to come back down, you're bringing your heels back. But what's important to anticipate is as your arms start to get almost extended, that's when you're going to kick again, your arms get extended, and you push away. So try and slow-mo this here for you so you can see that sync up. The big thing to work on that a lot of people get thrown off, if you're having a tough time, you're feeling like you're diving through the bar, chances are you're not holding your feet out in front as you pull up, and then waiting till you start your descent to bring your heels back. So go ahead and try those progressions. Be sure you subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, comment below, give us a thumbs up, and have the best day you've ever had.